Designer blouses, ready-made ones from the house of Sanskriti Kolkata. I'm Lalia and today I'll be displaying our on high demand, premium quality, pure silk, handwork, ready-made blouses. They are all customizable, can be made in your size starting from 32 to 46. I'll show you the color options available now. They are ready to ship and they are available in 40 and 42. Margin inside. So see this with cups, pure silk, and here comes the hand embroidery with moti kardana. Beautiful finishing, complete with this lovely tassels. We can make them in different colors. We need some time for that, around 30 to 45 days time, but all can be customized because these are all our own production. So this is a beautiful purple color. I'll show you color option in this. Here comes the Rani in this. Look at this Rani color blouse, similar type with the lovely neckline, the finishing, the border in the sleeves with cups. Available size now 40 and 42, can be customized in your size and color. This is the back side and all with pasting, cups, different type of stitching. These are all premium, different quality stitching. So these are all available now. The next one, I'll show a lovely coffee color. Look at this lovely. Now nets are also in. These are silk net with handwork. Look at the back side of the work. This blouse, this is the back side of the blouse, and here goes the sleeves. Paisley sleeves, and I love scallop neckline. You've been seeing me wearing a lot of scallop necklines. So this is the scallop neckline here. Very smart looking, beautiful fit. It has a beautiful fit and easily adjustable because there are stitches inside. So this is the coffee color and we have a beautiful green in this. See the bottle green. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp 76030-42696 for any kind of queries, prices. Now on high demand, Pujo is almost here and white and reds are so much in demand. Look at this beautiful silk embroidered. This is not hand embroidery, this is machine embroidery, but the silk is raw silk and a very beautiful neckline. This is the back side of the blouse. See the finishing, the style, the pattern is beautiful. We have two colors in this. Again, we can make it in black and white, white and red, like the one we have here. For queries, again, take the screenshot and WhatsApp me. The sizes, the tailoring unit will guide you with the size. Any confusion, you can connect. This is the blouse, white and red. On high demand, we are showing this beautiful ready-made, pure, premium quality silk blouses. And look at this. This is a beautiful, again, a moti with handwork, multicolored, lime color. This is the back side of the blouse. And here we have the front. Very pretty. You can understand from the finishing. See the margin we have inside. There are 2 stitches. All the prices are mentioned in the tag. You will get a GST invoice along with your shipment, free shipping in India. So in the shoulder as well as in the upper part of the sleeves, the handwork is done. Again, let me tell you, we can make it in your size and color. They can be customized provided you give us time. Very pretty lime color. We have a white in this. Can be made in black or orange, bottle green. But basically you can wear them with a lot of color saris. Look at the finish in this. Handwork. And we have another yellow color. These colors go so well with many of your saris. Our address 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Free shipping in India. Other than these ready-made blouses, we have designer suits, kurtas, which can also be tailored. Tailoring unit is there in both our Sanskriti branches in Baliganj. This is a beautiful blouse in silk. See the Pittanzari work on net. So the neckline in the front, the neckline in the back is all in net with Pittanzari and handwork Meena. This is a Rani color. This will be the sleeves, the beautiful sleeves. Look at the sleeves here. The paisley work, again with lovely tassels, finished with cups, margin inside. Another color option is this maroon color. Sanskriti Kolkata. This is the tassels, maroon color. On draping, they look very pretty, especially those who want to wear nets but don't want to show too much of skin. So this is a beautiful one because it is embroidered. And the paisley work is very pretty for weddings, for, pujo. These are beautiful. Mainly if you get good fitting, you get a very good look to the whole sari. Nowadays, we always give stress on the ready-made blouses, designer ready-made blouses. This is again another beautiful with net, handwork, with cups. And look at our cute embroidery in the sleeves. Very pretty, see. The royal umbrella. Look at the back side. They are all premium. The finishing, what I always keep saying, look at how we have done the finishing, complete with interlocking, lining. This is the back side. For this also, the color options are available. Pure silk. We have the purple, we have the red. All handwork and beautiful. The one that I'm wearing a very pretty bird motif. Here you give the palla and here is the bird motif. And here is the bird motif in the sleeves, and the back is also with net. I can't stand up now, but it's a bigger size than my size, but still it's easily one stitch and it fits very well. And then we have the color option in this, which is this black. Here you can see the back side of the blouse. I'll show you. This is the back side of the blouse, beautiful net black. This is how it is. Handwork. This is the sleeves. This is the neckline. Both the sleeves with bird and lot of work. Handwork, there's a lot of handwork. Prices, WhatsApp with the screenshot, and your size can be customized, colors can be customized. And lastly, the red one. These colors are always in demand. You can wear them, these common colors. If you keep, you don't need too many of, other colors. Red, black, off-white, beige, rani, blue, greens. These are one of the most in-demand colors. So this is the red one. Other than these, we have cotton blouses and other ready-made blouses as well. So thank you so much.